Hey there, got too many apps cluttering up your Google TV? Let me show you how to delete any unwanted apps in just 2 minutes. Seriously, it's that fast. First up, the super quick remote method. From your Google TV home screen, head to the Apps tab right up top. In the Your Apps row, highlight the app you want to get rid of. Now, just long press the OK or Select button on your remote until a menu pops up. Select View Details, hit Uninstall, and confirm with OK. That's it. App gone in seconds. Want to see all your apps? Maybe check which ones are hogging space? Use the Settings menu method. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner for settings. Scroll down to Apps, then choose See All Apps. Find the app you want to remove, select it, hit Uninstall, and confirm with OK. Perfect for a bigger cleanup, or if your TV is feeling a bit sluggish. Heads up! Some pre-installed apps, like YouTube or Netflix, can't be fully deleted, but you can uninstall updates to save a bit of space. The icon might stick around, but at least it won't take up as much room. Pro tip: if you just want to tidy up your home screen, you don't have to delete the app. On that same long press menu, select Move and tuck the app further down the list. And if you ever change your mind, any app you remove can be re-downloaded from the Google Play Store on your TV. Easy come, easy go. So, go ahead, clear out the clutter and make your Google TV feel brand new. Thanks for watching.